Hello everyone, Brian Mosey here with Signature Home Services. We're here at a new roofing installation behind me, putting on new shingles on this roof. When we do any type of roofing installation, we always make sure the homeowners understand the steps that go into doing this roofing installation. As local experts, we wanted to share with you the steps for removing and installing a brand new roof, which we can get done in one day. The first step is the tear off. It begins with a walkthrough on the roof, being able to look for spots of instability that could pose a hazard to our crew. After that, we remove the nails, the shingles, and the tar paper that's old and worn out. Once all of that is removed, then we make sure that the entire roof is smooth, ready to go for installation. Installation begins with rolling out the tar paper as well as the ice and water protection. This creates a waterproof barrier that keeps moisture away from your attic and your home. After, we put another layer of ice and water protection to make sure that that entire roof is enclosed with a waterproof seal. After, we put the starter shingles on. Those shingles are placed on the edges of the roof and holds all of the shingles into place. Once those are on, we put the rest of the shingles on. They're angled all the way up to the top of the roof and looks absolutely beautiful at the end. Thank goodness for nail guns, or our crew would be here for a very long time. Finally, we put the ventilation system on, and that just makes sure that there's no moisture going into the attic that creates mold or any other problems in the future. Finally, they put that caulk around all of the edges of that ventilation system to create that waterproof seal. So that might seem complicated for you and me, but for our crew, they make it look simple and easy. We are GAF Certified Plus roofing installers, which means that we are put in the top 3% of roofing nationwide. So if you're ready to get rid of those old, worn out shingles and put on a brand new roof, contact us, the local experts at Signature Home Services, and let us do your homework.